Hello and welcome to Your Travel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the hotel I've stayed in Dusseldorf. This is the CVJM Hotel. It's a short walk up from Dusseldorf HBF, so it's main station. So let's have a little looky. So essentially the keys for this room are quite strange. They're all like that, and you've got to do it sideways. Pretty much twice, and pull it out sideways as well. You've got access to a mirror so you can see what you're doing on the side of your door. Places to hang up your clothes. Have a little cupboard bit. Given a free bottle of water, but I don't really like plain water, so there it is. Obviously you've got the bed, which is quite comfy. My room backs onto this sort of garden thing, which I'm told is a much quieter option. And I did request a quiet room, so obviously they have fulfilled that request. Like, it looks crap, but like at least it's not really rubbish. Like, noise-wise. Adjustable temperature radiator right near the bed. They've got another light switch there. The only light that works in this room is that. So the switch turns that on. And then obviously the bathroom, which they have been pretty good of doing each day. And like putting fresh towels, etc. Obviously toilet. That's pretty much that. Room does have a hairdryer in, which is obviously quite useful. It is a woman, because you don't necessarily always want to go to bed without hair. Just to add another little bit about this hotel, because essentially at the time my phone just was not playing ball with me at all, so I've lost a whole bunch of footage from like half of these videos. I'm still trying to find stuff from Phantasialand and Cologne Zoo and stuff to actually be able to do a full trip vlog series. Hopefully you're not hearing my back whirring too much in the background there. But just to add on about this hotel, one thing which did stand out for me particularly, the staff. The staff were really nice and really friendly. It was a bit unusual in the fact that you had to hand in your key every time you was coming in and out of the building. So that was a little bit different, and you just had to go up to the desk, tell them your room number, and then you'd get the key. Which again, that could be potentially a security concern if someone just pretends they're staying there when they're not. If staff didn't know you, or if there's been a shift change or something. But generally, the staff very friendly. There was a little back garden area bit, but it wasn't very big. It wasn't like particularly pleasant, but it had like a nice area to smoke in, essentially, if you didn't want to stand out front and not have anywhere to sit. So that was nice. But massive yay, thank you to the staff there, because the staff were really lovely. I had a bit of a tough time personally on that trip. Won't go into that, but essentially one of the nights I was sort of really, really shitty and upset. And one of the staff members was really, really nice, spent ages talking to me and just, yeah, helped me chill out. So, big thank you to that guy. I'm really sorry, I cannot remember the guy's name. About all I remember is he was quite a tall lad and had quite big, puffy, like Afro-style hair. And he was absolutely lovely, so thank you, that guy, if for any reason you're watching this. I doubt it, but whatever. I hope you're enjoying these vlogs. I'm trying to catch up with a massive backlog that I've got during lockdown, but just bits here and there, really. This is going to stop. Does it stop?